In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Trello account. Use Trello project management software properly. 5 minutes. Let's start right at the Trello website. On the home page, look for the option to create your account. You'll typically see buttons like Sign Up, it's free, or Get Trello for free. Click either one, then enter your email address and choose Continue. If you prefer, you can sign up using your Google, Microsoft, or Slack account to speed things up. And if you already have an account, just log in and you're good to go. Once you're in, create your first workspace by clicking the Create New Board button. Give your board a clear name that reflects the project or purpose, like marketing launch, personal tasks, or class assignments. Next, choose the visibility. Keep it private if it's just for you, or select a collaborative option if you'll be working with a team. Public boards are visible to anyone, so use that only when you intentionally want to share. Think of a Trello board as a big whiteboard made up of lists and cards. Lists are the columns that organize your work into stages, and cards are the individual tasks or ideas you'll move through those stages. You can title lists to match any process. A simple workflow might be to do, in progress, and completed. If you're managing content, you could use ideas, research, writing, editing, and ready for publishing. You can drag lists left or right anytime to reorder as your process evolves. Now add your first tasks as cards. Open any list and click Add a card at the bottom, then type a short, clear task title and hit Enter. As work advances, drag and drop cards from one list to the next. That movement is the core of Trello. It makes progress visible at a glance. Click any card to open the card back, where you can add helpful details and collaborate. Use the description to outline context or requirements, and format it simply for readability. Add checklists to break a big task into smaller, trackable items. Set due dates, so deadlines are clear and reminders keep you on schedule. Use color-coded labels to categorize by priority, type of work, or team. Attach files, links, or images right to the card so everything you need stays in one place. And use comments to discuss updates, share decisions, or tag teammates so conversations stay attached to the work. That's it. Create your account, set up a board, name your lists, add cards, and move them through your workflow while enriching each card with the details that matter. Keep it simple to start and build as your needs grow.